Good morning, students. Sairam. Continuing with our session on Visual Basic, let us understand some more event procedures. The form which contains a text box and a command button will be used to demonstrate what event procedures are and how they are created. Three event procedures are used to alter the appearance of a phrase that is typed into the text box. The event procedures are lost focus, got focus, and click. Let us practically execute these three event procedures. Create the interface. First, we will place the text box. And also command button down below the text box. Now go to the properties window. Change the name properties of text box to text.txt phrase. And the text box should be made blank. Now click on the command button. Change the name properties to CMD bold. And go to the caption properties of command button and set to make phrase bold. The property is set to both the objects. Now double click on the text box. A window called the code window appears. Just below the title bar are two drop-down list boxes. The left box is called the object box and the right box is called the procedure box. Click on the drop-down button to the right of the procedure box. The drop-down menu that appears contains a list of all possible event procedures associated with text boxes. Scroll down the list of event procedures and click on lost focus. Type the line txt phrase, that is the name of the text box, dot font dot size is equal to 14 between the existing two lines. We have now created an even procedure that is activated whenever the text box loses the focus. Let us create another procedure for the same text box. Click on the down arrow button to the right of the procedure box. Scroll up the list of event procedures and click on Got Focus. Then type the lines txt phrase dot font dot size is equal to 20 between the existing two lines. Now let us create an even procedure for the command button. Click on the down arrow button to the right of the object box. The drop down menu contains a list of objects. Click on CMD bold. The even procedure CMD bold click is displayed. Type in line txt phrase dot font dot bold is equal to true. So now we have created three even procedures. One for lost focus, one for got focus, the other one is CMD bold, that is click. The event name is click. Run the program by pressing the function key F5 or click on run. Type something into the text box. The words Srima Balniketan High School have been typed. A text box has the focus whenever it is ready to accept typing, that is, whenever it contains a blinking cursor. Press the tab key. The contents of the text box will be reduced when the tab was pressed. The text box lists the focus, that is, the event lost focus happened to txt phrase. Thus, the event procedure text phrase lost focus was called and the code inside the procedure was executed. Now click on the command button. This calls the event procedure CMD bold, which converts the text to boldface. Click on the text box or press the tab key to move the cursor to the text box. This calls the event procedure text phrase underscore got focus, which restores the event to its original state. So children, we have understood the execution of three event procedures today. They are lost focus, got focus, and click. We shall continue with the topic in our next session. Thank you.